Taiwan, a small island nation off the coast of mainland China, is a land of breathtaking beauty and astonishing biodiversity. Despite its diminutive size, Taiwan boasts a remarkable range of ecosystems. From towering mountain ranges to lush subtropical forests, this island is a haven for a diverse array of flora and fauna. Taiwan's unique geographical location, coupled with its varied topography, has resulted in a remarkable concentration of life, making it a true jewel of the natural world. The island's history as a continental island, once connected to mainland Asia, has further contributed to its rich biodiversity. Over millennia, species migrated and evolved in isolation, leading to the emergence of unique and endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Taiwan is a testament to the power of nature to create beauty and diversity in even the most confined of spaces. It is a place where nature lovers can witness the wonders of evolution firsthand and marvel at the intricate web of life that thrives on this extraordinary island. Taiwan's landscape is a study in contrasts, ranging from towering peaks to plunging ocean depths. The island's mountainous spine, the central mountain range, dominates the landscape, with several peaks soaring over 3,000 meters above sea level. These mountains are cloaked in lush forests, home to a rich variety of plant and animal life. Descending from the mountains, one encounters a tapestry of ecosystems. Subtropical forests give way to bamboo groves and fertile plains. Taiwan's coastline is equally diverse, with sandy beaches, rocky shores, and coral reefs teeming with marine life. This incredible diversity of habitats within such a small area makes Taiwan a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Taiwan's diverse ecosystems support a rich array of wildlife. In the high mountains, the elusive Formosan black bear, Taiwan's largest land animal, roams the forests. This subspecies of the Asiatic black bear is critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals remaining in the wild. Taiwan is also a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 600 recorded bird species. The island's forests are alive with the songs of colorful flycatchers, babblers, and thrushes. Along the coast, migratory birds, including sandpipers, plovers, and terns, stop to rest and refuel during their long journeys. Taiwan offers a wealth of opportunities for travelers to immerse themselves in its natural beauty. Taroko Gorge, a stunning marble canyon carved by the Liwu River, is a must-see destination. Visitors can hike through the gorge, marvel at its towering cliffs, and explore its many temples and shrines. Alishan National Scenic Area is another popular destination, renowned for its high-altitude tea plantations and stunning sunrises over a sea of clouds. The area is also home to ancient cypress forests, some of the oldest trees in Taiwan. Whether hiking through its forests, exploring its gorges, or simply soaking up its natural beauty, Taiwan offers an unforgettable experience for nature lovers.